Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on gold, the pound USD, the USDCAD, and the DXY of course. And starting this week, basically what I'll be anticipating is looks like DXY might want to drop some more, possibly breaking this upward trend line. You know how I trade? I don't just make these presumptions that this is exactly what price will do. I just give instances and follow what price does. So I'm looking at a possible continuation of price to break that region, come back to break this upward trend line, break this region, and then we might see price come back all the way to 104 region, 104.50. all right, something like that. So this is what I'm looking out for. Or basically even create a new low. Otherwise, we might see price really reject this region here, and if it does, then we might actually see price just rally off that region and make a new high. All right, this is what I'm anticipating for DXY. For gold has been very bearish, and then we're currently in a very strong support region. So what I'm anticipating, I'm really banking on gold to really pull back to these regions here, possibly touch this trend line one more time, and then we'll continue the ride, break this low, and then start creating a new high. This might take a couple of weeks, but for the week we might see gold bull a little bit to these regions of 1885, all right, probably 1900 depending, and then reject that region, and then we can pull back to the downside. I'm measuring that move with Fibonacci retracement tool. We can see he has a 50 exactly, and then the other one at 61.8. Perfect. Okay, and then look at our take profit. God, this is magical. Take profit 1, 1771. Take profit 2, 1729. Looks like gold is going to be a great one this week. All right. Okay, then pound USD. For pound USD, I'm looking at something similar. I'm looking at price to actually bull up a little bit from this region here as we pull back to here, possibly. Create an M, rejection, and then come back to these regions. Possible break, continuation to the downside. This is what I'm looking out for here on pound USD. Basically, yeah, that's basically what I'm looking out for. For Fibonacci, there's so many levels to actually measure from. So you're going to basically try and error. If you look at that one, looking at price retesting 124.50 region, 125, and 125 has been a very great psychological level to be considered. Okay, so the whole of this region, 125, it should be a great level for a pullback and then continuation to the downside. Okay, so that's that on pound USD. Then USDCAD, looking at a pullback to the downside to reject these regions of 135.82. and then continue to the upside. But if we get a strong rejection here, we might continue to the upside from that region. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for. Either price continues to build up from this region, or we get that pullback to these regions, or a little bit into these regions, and then we'll continue to the upside. Then if we measure that move with the Fibonacci tool retracement tool, okay, so we're looking at 50, 61, that area. So we can elastigate these regions like this, looking out for price to come bounce off this region and continue to the upside. All right, so that's that. And then bonus, same thing, Euro USD, looking for price to pull back a little bit to these regions. Let me see. Yeah, 50 is already there, 61.8 a little bit. So when price opens, we might just see price pull back a little bit to this region, probably test this downward trend line one more time, and then start going down to the downside. My best setup for the week is gold. I'm looking at gold so much in the couple of days of the whole of next week. We might just see price, play around going back to the upside. I'm looking for a way to cash out on this, and then also join the last couple of weeks of the year, probably join the trend to go to the downside. Okay, I'll see you guys on Saturday for a recap, and make sure you enjoy this week. Back some pips. Ciao.